When you need to view comprehensive reports of all transactions from a global account currency, your dashboard provides a solution. First, log in to your TransferMate account and access global accounts from the drop-down menu. On the Global Accounts page, click on the currency you wish to view the transaction history of. In this example, we've used the United States dollar. However, the process is the same for all global account currencies. Once you have clicked on the currency you wish to view the transaction details of, you will be presented with all of the accounts you have currently opened for that currency. Click on the blue text labelled Transactions of the account you wish to view the transaction history of. Here you will find a comprehensive table of all transactions made via the global account. You can scroll to the bottom of the table and click on the Export button to download an Excel sheet or CSV report of all transactions. Or you can click on the Statements button to download a PDF statement of your account transactions for any given month in the past year. Any statements outside of the past 12 months can be generated by using the Custom Date Range button. Please note that the number of transactions in any one statement is limited to 100,000. On this page, you can also press the Show Hide Advanced Filters button to display search boxes for each column. Using these, you can filter the table to return results for specific currencies, account numbers, references, payment amounts, and more. And that's how you can view all transactions from a single global account on the TransferMate platform using advanced filtering and reporting to find the information that you need.